K house presents itself as a residence that does not attempt to stand out from its landscape, but rather positions itself as a calm and measured response to its context. Rather than appearing as a dominant object, the house is structured through a simple and rational composition of volumes, creating a balance between solid mass and empty space. Between the two, subtle transitional spaces, terraces, wide openings, and semi-open areas serve as intermediaries between the interior and the exterior. The approach to the site is sensitive and restrained. The building does not impose itself on the landscape, but follows its existing natural character. The orientation of spaces and openings is designed to capture natural light, cross-flow air, and frame views as part of the spatial experience itself. The materials used reflect the honesty of the construction. Concrete, wood, and glass are present without excessive elaboration, creating a clean and precise architectural expression. Every detail is meticulously designed, demonstrating a clear relationship between structure, materials, and function. Inside, the main spaces flow without rigid boundaries. The living, dining, and kitchen areas merge into one open whole, creating a fluid and connected experience. Meanwhile, the private spaces are placed more sheltered, yet maintain a visual connection with the surrounding landscape. The K house doesn't rely on flashy gestures to convey architectural quality. Instead, its strength lies in the precision of proportion, the clarity of composition, and its ability to frame everyday life in simple yet meaningful ways. Ultimately, this house teaches that architecture doesn't always have to be loud to feel powerful. Sometimes it's in restrained simplicity that a space can provide the most profound experiences.